Alright, here we have some cute little statues, and you can actually put like a little candle inside of each one of them. But they're singing to the lovebirds. Look at that. Cute little lovebirds. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. I put that vase with them just because it's very, very different. Different kind of vase. Portugal. Vase actually comes from Portugal. It's just a solid white vase. But these are so cute. I found them adorable. Look at that. You know, it's just like they're on a branch and everything. See like that? You can just see them on a branch. Sitting up there. Just a-singing. Just some cute little lovebirds. They're just so cute. Of course, a pink and a blue to represent the girl and the boy. But I thought these were adorable. Beautiful find. They're awful cute. One's playing the flute and one's playing a little guitar. It's not really a guitar. But playing. But anyhow, they're playing music. And this one here is just, look at the mouth. You can tell it's singing. So playing and singing to the lovebirds. That's so cute. And it's kind of cute to see, you know, they have little insides for candles. So all they need is some tiny little candles. And you can put the candles whichever way you're decorating your room. So either a pink one or a blue one. Or you could even go maybe brown one, white one, whatever. So I just thought this was a good little combination and they're so cute. Alright, stay tuned for more. You never know what I'm going to find in the box at the good old auction find. Bye-bye now.